Students, our next topic is factorization. In factorization, we will learn about how to find the factors of algebraic expression, and in algebraic expression we are having constant as well as a variable. So in this we will learn how to find the factors of this factors of monomials, binomial, trinomials and polynomials. So first part of factorization, the first type of factorization is factorization by taking the common factors. So we will just see an example. Suppose this is a question and we are doing the first type 1, that is by taking common factors out. So just take, you can see from here we can take 5x x square minus 2. Now if you re-multiply this, what you will get, 5x square minus 10x. This is the process what we are going to follow in factorization. We have to take the common out in this. Now how do we know that 5x is common? You can see here 5x square is written and here 5, here 10 is written. So 5x square can be written as like this and 10 can be written in 5 into like this. So from here you can see 5x and 5x both are common, so we can take this common out and write rest of thing which is left. So from here you can see x is left and 2 is left. So whatever is left we will write it down and whatever is common we will write out of the bracket. This is the final required expression. The next one, we can see some more example. Can see just question number 2. In question number 2 we have a cube minus a square plus a. Now if you take, you can see that here a is common throughout, so we will take a common here and here we will get a square minus a plus 1. This is what we are going to get here. Now if you just break this, you will see that we are getting a into a minus a into a plus a. So here finally we can see that a can be taken common throughout like this, and whatever is left will be written in the bracket, inside the bracket, and whatever is common is written outside the bracket. So this is the way we are going to solve these types of question which is type 1, that is taking the common factor out. Now we can see question number 16 also. It is written here a plus 2b 3a plus b minus a plus b, a plus 2b plus a plus 2b square. Now from here you can see, students, we can see that a plus 2b is common throughout. We can see a plus 2b here, a plus 2b here and a plus 2b here. So it will be a plus 2b. 3a plus b will be taken from here. From here we will get a plus b, and from the last bracket we can write a plus 2b. So this is the expression which we will get here by taking the common out, that is a plus 2b. The next type of factorization is factorization by grouping. Means we have to group some terms together and some like terms together and some like terms together so that we can factorize easily. So here you can see the example, ax minus bx plus ay minus by. We have grouped this together, and now we will take the common out here. X is taken common here, which is left with a minus b, and y is taken common here, which is left with a minus b. So a minus b is common throughout, so we will write it again here, and whatever is left will be written inside the bracket. So we can see in exercise, we can see the exercise from exercise 3b, some questions. You can see question number 1. Is it an a square minus ax plus ab plus bx. So we can take a common here. We can just group this as a square plus ab and minus ax plus bx. So what we will get, a plus b and minus x a plus b. We have just grouped this a square and ab and minus a and bx. So from here we have taken a common out, so we are left with a and a plus b, and here we have taken x common out, so we will left with minus a, and here we will get minus b. If we multiply it back again, we are required to get this expression back, so it will be minus ax and minus of minus is plus, so it will be plus bx. So we can write it like this, a students, and just there is a mistake in the question, it is not minus here, it is plus here, so it will be a. Now you can see a plus b is common throughout, so we will write a plus b in a bracket, and here we are left with a and x, so we will write a plus x in this bracket. In this way, this is type 2 of factorization, and in this type 2 factorization we just group it and then we take common, and after that we get common again. We get common 2 times in this. Again we are getting common. We first will take the term common and then we will take the expression common out. It can be binomial or it can be trinomial. So a plus b is common here, and a plus x, which is left from here and from here, which will be written in separate bracket. We can take another example of question number 4. It is written here as a cube plus minus a square plus a minus 1. So we can take here common out and write it here as a square. A square will be common, so we'll get a here and minus 1 here, and 1 plus 1 will be common out here. When nothing is common, 1 is common out, so a minus 1 we will get here. In whole again a minus 1 is common, and a square plus 1 is left, which is the required factors of this expression which is given in the question. So in this way we do the questions of factorization. This is a short introduction to the chapter. I'll give you some assignments and solve questions of factorization in the next part.